Go.
Hey.
Welcome back, guys. I don't understand.
You just said no. Welcome back.
I wait for my wife all this time, and every time when she goes to put makeup, we say, "Oh, she's going to do makeup," and she comes over here, and it's the only thing she says, "Hey, can you say a few nice words?"
It's very nice to be here with you guys.
See, I like that. That's good, guys. We're excited to be here. Look, short sleeve.
Oh my God! Can you
Wow.
imagine? There's
I
no
couldn't-
snow.
Yeah, I couldn't wait for the weather to be warm. This way, we can go and cook again, and while we're doing it, we should enjoy also, not to
Yes.
get freezing, you know,
Yes.
like the winter was. Well, it's pleasure being with you again. So what we're doing today is we're doing Barramundi, and we're doing Babka. For those who don't know what Babka is, it's a pasta cake, right?
Yes.
A Babka is a Russian thing, no?
Yes. Yes.
But
Well,
Marina says-
in my family, we used to call it babka. I'm not
But
sure.
Marina says Babka has to be cake.
Yes, usually it's cake, but in my house, this is how we used to call this.
Okay, so
babka.
we're doing a side dish of babka, which is going to be delicious. I'm going to
Our
put
favorite.
a little bit twist to it. My wife doesn't know yet because
As
she likes it.
usual, I have no idea what he's
Well, listen, I
cooking.
keep it secret. Okay, guys, let's go and start. And we're ready to cook something very, very delicious and try it home. So as we mentioned before, we're going to do something delicious, new. We're going to make barramundi. Did I pronounce it right, Pauline? Look at this beautiful fish. We're going to do this. And we're going to put some cilantro, dill, green pepper, red pepper, and some tomatoes, mushroom and onion. Okay, and we're gonna do babka with macaronis. All right, so what I'm gonna do is cut the tomatoes to circles. Spray the plate first a little bit. So what we're gonna do is just lay the tomatoes just like that. We're gonna cut pepper, also very, very thin slices. Green pepper and red pepper. That's what we're gonna put on. The red pepper also nice and thin. We're gonna place the peppers over here, so you can put one red, one green. We're gonna slice the onion also nice and thin. We're gonna put a couple slices of onion. We're gonna put kosher salt on top and black pepper. Dill on the side. Just the whole piece like this, don't cut it. And cilantro. Now to the main event, our barramundi. The same thing over here. Not all the way, okay? So what we're gonna do is place our fish over here. On top of the fish, kosher salt and black pepper. We're gonna slice tomatoes again, thin slices. We're gonna lay first the onion, tomatoes, dill. Again, dill, make sure it's just big pieces, okay? And cilantro. And on top of this, green pepper and red pepper. Kosher salt, a drop of pepper. Now we're gonna cover it with a silver paper. We're gonna put it in our barbecue. Temperature of 350 degrees for 40 minutes or more. Alright, we're gonna start our babka right now. So what we do is we're gonna add 4 spoons water. Okay, we're gonna add some salt to our water. This is the macaroni that I'm gonna put. It's approximately 11 to 12 minutes has to cook, so I'm gonna cook it for 11 minutes, okay? The water is boiling. Let's add everything, mix it, and we'll boil it for 11 minutes. We're gonna slice mushroom. We're gonna spray the pan a little bit. Over here we're gonna saute our mushroom. Okay, a little bit of kosher salt on top. We're gonna chop some dill. Our mushroom is ready. Our macaronis are ready. Take all our sauté mushroom, add it over here. Take our dill, add it also here. We're gonna crack 4 eggs. Give it a nice mix. So just mix it to cool off a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit kosher salt in it. And we're gonna add our eggs. And mix it all up. We're gonna spray the bottom and add all the pasta inside. Look at this beauty. We're gonna cook it until it gets nice and golden, and then we're gonna flip it. It's 40 minutes passed by. What I'm gonna do is right now, take the cover off. Look at the smell, babe.
Wow.
Smell. Oh, baby. Let's put it back and continue cooking it. Time to flip. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Our babka is ready. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, looking good.
Looks so good.
Look at this babka, babe. Look at this babka. Where's my wife? Come
amazing.
over here. Come. Tell everybody how good your husband cooks for you.
It looks really good.
Huh?
Smells
good,
amazing, yes.
right? Our fish is ready. Approximately an hour and 10 minutes passed by. Let's turn off the fire. You know what I like about this plate? Ready to serve. Let's take this out. Everything ready. Came out beautiful. So we're gonna do the testing.
I'm gonna go first with the babka because that's my favorite part.
Good. Let me see the babka. Oh wow. Tastes amazing.
I'm gonna take a little bit of the fish.
How's the fish? Good stuff?
Oh my god. It's so good.
Taste the fish.
It cooked perfectly.
Wow, the fish is amazing. Try this thing at home. You want to finish it off while
Yes,
I'm eating?
and this concludes our recipe video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click notification bell to get notified when we post our recipe videos. Please don't forget to share with your friends and like this video if you liked it.
Thank you again for all your nice comments. If you want to check me out, you can always check me out at 23 West 47th Street, LB Diamond. If you need makeup, she's the one to do it, don't forget. Follow up Alina also on makeup if you want to do it on your own.
All
Good.
our social medias will be linked down below, and we also on TikTok.
That's it.
And we have a TikTok famous person
That's
here.
me, that's me, I'm famous for it. Guys, great to be with you. Hope to see you next time. Stay safe until next time. Salute, guys.
Salute.